Today, I'm going to teach you how to add assets in Google Ads. Assets are powerful tools that can enhance your ad performance by providing additional information and links to potential customers, making your ads more interactive and useful. First, you'll want to navigate to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, locate the Campaigns menu on your left navigation bar and click on it. This will give you access to all the campaign management features you need. After clicking on Campaigns, the menu will expand to reveal more options. Look for the Assets drop-down within this expanded menu and click on it. You'll notice several options appear, so go ahead and click on Assets again. This second click will take you directly to the Assets Management page, where you can view and control all the additional features that enhance your ads. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the assets you've previously added across your campaigns in your Google Ads account. This overview is useful for keeping track of what's already working for your ads. To add a new asset, look for the blue plus button located in the header section and click on it. This action will bring up a menu presenting you with different asset types you can add to your campaigns. You'll be presented with two main options at this point: site link and location. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on adding a site link type of asset, so go ahead and click on site link. Site links are particularly valuable because they allow you to direct users to specific pages on your website, giving them quick access to relevant information or products. Once you click on Site Link, you'll be taken to the Add Site Link page. This is where the customization happens. Start by selecting where you wish to add this site link from the drop-down menu. You'll have three options available. You can add this asset to your account, campaign, or ad group. Choose the level that best suits your advertising strategy. Each level offers different scope and control over where your site link appears. After making your selection, it's time to fill in the Site Link 1 fields. Enter a compelling site link text that will catch the user's attention. Then add description line 1 and description line 2, which provide additional context about what users can expect when they click. Finally, enter the final URL where you want users to land when they click on this site link. Make sure this URL is accurate and leads to a relevant page on your website. Once you've filled in all the required fields, scroll down and click Save. Your new asset is now added and will start enhancing your ads by providing users with more ways to engage with your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.